Okay, I hope you are able to see my screen. So, the first thing we need to do is go to the Google URL section, and you can type or copy and paste e-learning.apcbiblecollege.org. Once you type that in, just press enter. The very first thing you will see here is our interface. This is what it looks like, and if you want to explore, you can just come here to the courses page. You will be able to see the full semester courses, like the 1-year, 2-year, and 3-year programs, and all of them are for the fall semesters. You will also be able to see the programs and degrees. For 1 year, we call it the Certificate in Theology. For 2 years, it is the Diploma in Theology, and 3 years is for the Bachelor's in Theology. Okay, the very first thing we need to do, once we come to this page, is register. So, this is how it displays. Once you come to this page, you can just put in your name and your Gmail account. The first thing it will ask for is your full name. The second is your email or public username. You can put whatever you would like to keep as your public username. Make sure that when you provide the public username, it does not match your full name. Next, you can create a password. Once you create the password, you need to remember it throughout the course, so that whenever you log out, you can use this public username and password to get back in. I have already done this. Once you create an account, the next step we need to do is sign in. So again, I will just put in my user ID and the password. Yeah. Once this is done, this is what it looks like. The dashboard is currently empty. There is nothing there. You will be able to see my courses and looking for a new challenge. To find our courses and modules, just explore the courses. You can come to this section and simply explore it. Once we come here, let's switch to a slightly brighter theme. Yeah, hopefully, this is fine. So, these are the courses that you will be able to see. The first year starts with BC 101, which is Minister's Foundation, up to BC 116, which is Lifestyle Evangelism. Now, you may have a question like, how can I identify which ones are my courses? The very first thing you can look for is BC 1. If it starts with the digit 1, then it is a first-year course. If you can see, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the first year, for 1 semester, you will have exactly 8 modules, and that is from 101 to 116. This is how you can count or identify your courses. BC 101 to 116. Courses starting with BC 2-digit means they are for the second year, and if they start with BC 3-digit, that means the third year. That is how you will be able to navigate and identify your courses. Now, to complete the enrollment, all you have to do is click Learn More. Once you click Learn More, this dashboard will appear. Here you will be able to see a short description video about what the course covers. You can just watch it and see what the course is about. The next step is simply clicking Enroll Now. Once you enroll, the course is successfully added to your dashboard. So, let us do one more. Just go back or find a course again. I would like to do BC 102. Click Learn More. If you would like to watch the description video again, you can do that, and then just click Enroll Now. This is how it will be added to your dashboard. If you are a first-year student, we would like to request that you complete the 8 modules. This is how it is going to be. One more thing we would like to. Okay, we can come back to that a little later. So now, this is how Old Testament survey is going to look. You can begin your class from here. Just click Begin your course. Click that, and it will bring you directly to your classroom. This is your dashboard here. Now you can see there are a bunch of things being displayed. Let me just take you through them one by one. The first is the course section. The course section is where you will be able to see all the course updates, your lecture videos, and your announcements will pop up here. If you look now, there is nothing, but once the class starts, you will be able to see all of the content. Right now, there are no lecture videos. They have only posted the welcome notes, the course overview, and so on. But after the class starts, you will be able to see all the lecture videos. This is similar to how we have done things with Google Classroom. I hope this is clear. Now, the next section is Progress. The Progress section allows you to navigate or track how much you have completed or how far along you are. You can view your course completion here, and once you start doing your courses, this 0% will increase. We would like to encourage you to check this on a daily basis so that you will know exactly where you are and how you can finish before the due date. So, this is your progress. Another very important and crucial part is the grades. 2. Pass the exam. Just a minute, not this one. I need to go to. Yeah, to pass the exam, you have to get more than 70%. That is the passing score. If you look here. If you are getting below 71, it means you fail, but 71 and above means you will successfully pass. We encourage you to please check this section to stay informed. This information is also given in the books, but that might not always be updated, so we request that you come here and check. For all courses, the passing grade is 70 or above. Make sure to get at least a 71, and you will be eligible for the next semester. I hope this is clear. You can also check here. Once you click this red button, you can get an overview of the grade range for this course. Next to that, we have the dates. It is basically our timeline. We started our courses on Monday, today is August 7th, and the end date is Saturday, November 28th. Again, as we stated, before the due date, you need to finish all of your modules, all the assessments, and the lecture videos. If you are not able to finish, you may have to retake the entire course from the very beginning. So, that is about the dates and the discussion page. If you come to the discussion page, as an e-learning student, you may have a question like, how can I ask questions? For on-campus and online students, we have the ability to directly ask the faculty or the instructor. But for e-learning, as it is a self-paced study, we have created the discussion page. If you come to the discussion page, you will be able to see this section called My Posts. To add post, you can just come here and. So, as of now, these are the notes that have been provided by our faculty, and it says to introduce yourself. You can do that here, enter your name, and write something like, Hi. If you would like to ask any questions, you can just type them here and submit them. Our faculty will respond to you. If you click All Posts, you will be able to see all the posts and what the other students are posting. But if you just click My Posts, you will only see your own posts. This section is for learner activities. These are the two main sections you have to look into and use. If you have any questions, we request that you please come here and post them, and the faculty will respond to you. The wiki section is not necessary for now. One more thing, as e-learning students, you might have a question like, how can I get my notes? This is how you will be able to get your notes. The faculty has already posted and updated all the notes. Once you come to a section, like, Fulfilling God's Purpose for Your Life, this is the note, and you can download it. If you come here, you can simply download it. Like, Receiving God's Guidance, and The Code of Honor. This is how it works, and you can download all your notes from here in a soft copy format. Okay, before moving forward, I would like to quickly check if everything is okay. Just a minute. Yeah, is everything alright for the online students? Okay, great, thank you. So, we are done with this part. Next, what we are going to do is, you can simply enroll. As I demonstrated earlier, you can do that easily. I hope this is clear. For praise and worship, click Learn More, then Enroll. And see, this is how it will be added to your dashboard so you can access it. Okay, and another thing is the foundation section. What we request is, if you have enrolled, please complete this as it is common for all students. This includes the foundation, the mentoring hour, and also our orientation week. For those who have joined, registered, or are yet to register, we would like to strongly request that you please join the foundation courses and also the mentoring hour. As Pastor Nancy stated, we will have the mentoring hour every Thursday. What happens is, once the mentoring hour is done, we post it online as well. Once you come here, you will be able to see all the mentoring hour sessions. If you look here, we have the data for the fall 2026 weekly mentoring hour videos. If you come here, you will see all the lecture videos. So, for this semester as well, we will be posting all the mentoring hour videos, and this is how you will be able to access them. Okay. So, one is the mentoring hour, and the second is the foundation. Please do enroll for this as well. The content is already there and has been posted. You just have to log in and access it. The last, very important section is orientation week. Make sure if you are new, or even if you are already registered and part of e-learning, we request that you please go through it. Just click Learn More and enroll in it. Here it is, all the sessions are being posted here. You can just come and utilize them. Yeah. So yeah, that is all about it. The orientation week, the foundations, and the mentoring hour are common for everybody, so you can just complete them alongside your regular courses. There is one more thing that students ask about. As they are working through the course, they face some challenges. I will also take you through this. As students do their courses, we have some frequently asked questions. Number 1 is account login issues. Sometimes people are unable to log in, or their account gets locked. This happens when we try several times with the wrong password. What happens is that it temporarily blocks the server, and you may not be able to access your account for a while. In that case, you simply need to reset the password. To reset the password, you can just click Forgot Password, just like you do for other websites, and enter your registered email address to recover it. Once you initiate the recovery, an email will go to your registered Gmail account, where you can create a new password. After that, you will be able to access it again. Number 2, the video is not progressing, and I cannot move forward. Why is the next section locked? What happens is that we set prerequisites for all the videos. To go to the next video, you must completely watch the current video. You have to watch all the videos completely without skipping. If you skip through the video and try to jump to the next section, it will not allow you because we have set it up that way. Make sure you are watching the videos fully from the beginning to the end. If you do this, you won't have any other issues or challenges. We just wanted to let you know about this. Additionally, there will be knowledge checks. Basically, these are non-graded, but you just need to complete all the knowledge checks to be able to move forward. If you follow these small rules, you won't have any issues as you go along. Once you finish watching the videos, it will automatically take you to the next lecture video. Now, regarding midterm assessment enrollment, some of you may ask, can I join the e-learning portal mid-semester? Yes, you can join, but remember we have fixed start and end dates. To earn your certificate, you must complete all your lecture videos, quizzes, and assessments before the deadline. For example, if our due date is November 26th or 28th, you need to finish all requirements before then to get your certificate. That is absolutely fine. Next is missing the course completion deadline. What if I cannot finish the course before the semester ends? There is no other option. If you cannot finish it, you will have to retake the course in the next semester. Right now, it is fall 2026. The next one is fall 2027. There is no other option. If you miss the deadline, you have to retake it. Because progress is not saved between semesters. We do not save it. It starts at the beginning point and finishes once the deadline is reached. So, that is all about it. If you are mindful of all of this, you will not have any issues, and you will be able to complete everything successfully.